Common effects include low frequency humming or droning. Exactly what we would hear out there. So I asked why unusual sounds or vibrations matter in ranch history. It says that shallow coal seams and old workings. In areas with shallow coal seams, even small abandoned workings can create subsurface voids. These voids can act like acoustic chambers. Common effects include low frequency humming or droning. Exactly what we would hear out there. Sounds that seem to come from inside walls or floors. Vibrations that are felt more than heard. No clear surface source. Because these seams were often poorly documented, later landowners had no idea they were living above disturbed ground. So it says Elbert County sits within the Denver Basin, which includes layers of clay, sandstone, coal, and shale. Certain combinations of these materials can transmit vibration extremely well, especially at night when background noises drops. Sources that can trigger resonance. Listen to this. Wind moving across open plains or open prairies. Just like that. Temperature shifts after sunset. They mentioned that in the report. Distant machinery or rail activity miles away. And there were railroad tracks miles away. So are these acoustic chambers. That's what the vibration and the droning is. Power lines and electrical grounding. The results can be a persistent hum that seems localized to a house or specific room. Wow. Why these sounds are so disturbing. Low frequency sound behaves differently than normal noise. It can be difficult to locate, travel through the bone and the tissue, cause unease, anxiety, or physical discomfort, feel like pressure rather than sound. This is why historical witnesses often describe the experience emotionally rather than acoustically. Isn't that interesting? They knew something was wrong, but could not point to a source. I find that is so interesting. And then it goes on to say why ranches are especially affected. Ranches combine several risk factors: large open land areas, older buildings, shallow subsurface disturbances, and minimal ambient noise at night. A sound that would be ignored in town becomes overwhelming in rural settings. So there you go. I think we've debunked the humming sounds out there.